Good day, grade 9. So today we'll be discussing special parallelograms. If you do not remember or hindi mo masyadong naaalala or hindi pa kabisado yung mga conditions ng parallelograms, mas maganda na i-review mo muna siya. Kasi tandaan mo na this special parallelograms has characteristics of a parallelogram. Kumbaga, special kind lang siya. So, I'll be using this figure para mas madaling ma-discuss yung mga definitions ng special parallelogram. So, review lang muna natin yung parallelogram as it is. So, sa parallelogram, we have two pairs of opposite sides. So, this side is congruent to this side. This side is congruent to this side. Now, tandaan mo, yung opposite sides ay at the same time congruent and parallel. So, there are two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel and at the same time congruent. Then, in terms of angles, we have one pair or rather two pairs of opposite angles that are congruent. So, this angle, let's say this is angle A is congruent with angle B, angle C is congruent with angle D. Or, yung dalawang opposite or yung magkatapat na angle ay congruent. Now, tandaan din natin na yung consecutive angles ay supplementary, which means that the sum of their angles is equal to 180 degrees. So, if we will say that this is 60 degrees, automatic, this is 120, and this is also 120 degrees. Okay. Another thing to consider, their diagonals. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That's why, dito sa symbol, this part is congruent to this part. And this part of the diagonal is congruent to this part of the diagonal. So, kailangan maalala mo yung mga yon. Bakit? Kasi yung mga characteristics ng parallelogram, present yan sa rectangle, sa rhombus, at sa square. Meron lang siyang special characteristics, kaya mo siya tatawaging special parallelogram. So, punta tayo ngayon sa rectangle. So, anong naging special kay rectangle? Ulitin ko. Lahat ng characteristics ng parallelogram present at characteristics din ng rectangle. Meron lang siyang special characteristics or special na feature kaya naging special parallelogram siya. So, ano yung special feature niya? First is yung angles. Yung angles ng rectangle ay puro 90 degrees. Hindi mo kailangan isolve. Alam mo agad pag sinabing this quadrilateral is a rectangle. Alam mo agad, the angles of this parallelogram or this rectangle are equal to 90 degrees. So, automatic yun. Another, the diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Dito kasi, magkaiba yung sinabi mong the diagonals bisect each other and the diagonals are congruent. Pag sinabi mong diagonals bisect each other, that means merong shorter diagonal. Or there may be a possibility na mas maliit yung isang diagonal. For example, this one. This is diagonal 1. This is shorter, obviously shorter than diagonal 2. But, itong side na to, congruent to dito sa side na to. Ganun din itong segment na to, congruent sa segment na to. Now, sa rectangle, you will notice, since the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, then automatically, since the diagonals of a rectangle are congruent, then itong segment na to, congruent sa segment na to, sa segment na ito, at sa segment na yun. Yun yung special sa rectangle. So, una, 4 right angles. Pangalawa, 2 congruent diagonals. That's what makes a rectangle special or a special parallelogram. Okay, punta tayo naman sa rhombus. Sa rhombus naman, ulitin ko ulit, lahat ng characteristics ng parallelogram po, naka-characteristics din po ng rhombus. Ngayon, anong pagkakaiba ni rhombus or anong special sa kanya? Ang special kay rhombus, it has 4 congruent sides. So, kahit hindi mo isolve, this side will be congruent to this side, and this side. Kanina, sa parallelogram, ang alam lang natin, yung opposite sides, congruent sa isa't isa. Pero pag rhombus ang pinag-uusapan, lahat ng sides congruent. So, automatic kung 5 cm to, 5 cm ito, 5 cm din to, 5 cm din to. Yun yung special kay rhombus. Another thing na special kay rhombus, that is, the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to one another. Now, ano ulit yung ibig sabihin ng word na perpendicular? Perpendicular means these segments create a 90-degree angle. Now, ito yung unang, isa sa mga unang characteristics na tandaan mo sa rhombus kasi importante to. Yung diagonals niya ay bisector or tinatawag nating perpendicular bisector, which means congruent ito, saka ito, saka ito, and at the same time, this is a 90-degree angle. Okay? So, ulitin ko, what makes a rhombus special? Congruent, lahat ng sides, and it has a 90-degree angle na diagonals, or yung diagonals niya ay perpendicular bisector ng isa't isa. So, automatic, 90 degrees to, 90 degrees yan, 90 degrees yan. Okay? Now, punta tayo ngayon sa square. Ganito mo lang siya kasimple isipin. Yung parallelogram, o lahat ng characteristics ng parallelogram, present kay rectangle, present kay rhombus. Ngayon, kaya siya may flowchart. Lahat naman ng characteristics ng parallelogram na kay rectangle, na kay rhombus, lahat ng special kay rectangle at kay rhombus, pinagsama mo ngayon sa square. Which means, di ba sa rectangle, it has 4 right angles and congruent diagonals. Sa rhombus, it has 4 congruent sides and a perpendicular bisector na diagonals. Lahat ng special or lahat ng qualities na special kay rectangle at special kay rhombus na makikita mo sa square. So, for today, para sa extra chips po ninyo or extra chip para sa recitation, pili po kayo ng isang special parallelogram. Try to comment po which is your favorite. Tapos, konting reason lang bakit yun yung gusto mong special parallelogram. Now, please do me a favor kasi yung ibang account yung gamit din, hindi ko ma-recognize, hindi ko ma-record talaga yung extra chip ninyo. Pwede ba na kunwari, pag sumagot kayo, lagyan ng kahit apelido and section. Tapos kung may ka-apelido ka sa section mo, lagyan mo ng initial. So, kunwari, Junicio K. Ganun na lang po. Para at least, madali kong ma-recognize, ha? So, ulitin ko. For today, ang ilalagay po ninyo ay ano yung gusto mo or yung, kumbaga, mas prefer mong special parallelogram and konting description. Bakit yun yung gusto mong special parallelogram? Don't forget to write to comment your name and section para madali kong ma-record.